Sige.
Yes po, sige.
First
Please state your name, your outlet po. Miss Maki.
question.
Sige po. Please use the mic na lang po muna.
You have problems with yung mga minor sa correction sa names, nagkamali. Saan kayo nagkamali? Kasi they registered sa Grab, etc. Tapos pagdating nila doon, may mga problema. Yung N, dapat N-nye. So saan kayo nagkamali? Tapos bakit nyo pinapabalik-balik yung mga TNVS drivers na naghihintay ng payout?
Just to clarify po, Ms. Maki, number one, the listahan did not came from DSWD. That's number one. For the tricycle drivers, the list came from the local government unit in partnership with their Transport Regulatory Unit or TRUs. And of course, their TRUs ay nakipag-usap sa mga TODA nila to generate the listing. For the TNVS, for the delivery service, ito po ay galing from the LTFRB, Mamaki. The LTFRB, of course, source out the list nila from the accredited transport network companies. For the MC taxis, ito po ay galing ng DICT. Ito naman po ay source out din sa tinatawag po nilang PIMEDES. Ito po yung counterpart ng mga transport companies for two-wheel vehicles kasi delivery riders sila. So kung saan po nagkakamali, maaaring number one, the encoding pa lang from the TRUs, from the TODA, from the TNCs. Kasi basically, when they submitted the list to LTFRB, ang alam po namin, wala na pong editing capacity ang LTFRB. Kasi kung ano po ang sinubmit sa kanila, yun lang po ang i-entertain nila. Because the duplication process, or what we call cross-matching, is being done by DSWD. So ang ipo-forward po sa amin, Ma'am Maki, na listahan ay from the LTFRB. At ipo-forward po sa amin to, at kami rin po ay wala rin po kaming editing capacity. So we will run the list based on what is forwarded to us. Ngayon po, nagkakaroon po ng understanding nung unang batch, bakit nagkamali po. Ang mangyayari is kasi po, hindi yata na-validate ng mga claimants yung listahan na napadala or naisulat doon kasi na-experience namin na karamihan sometimes handwritten, talagang pen and paper ang sinabit na listahan sa amin. Kaya nga ito yung sinasabi ni Sec, wala naman po talagang malinis na listahan for this sector. At ito po yung nagiging birth pains po talaga namin. And I think, hindi man po siya mabilis, pero ang nakikita po namin nagiging future nito is somehow, naaayos na po natin ng listahan natin for the transport sectors po. With and in partnership po sa ating po mga sources ng listahan. Kasi po sa AIX, to be honest, kaya po may social worker, kasi we don't want to send them back because we do interviews. And this is the main purpose why. Pero kasi dito sa transport group, kailangan natin mabilisan and we cannot do current actual interview for almost 1.6, 1.3 billion in just 1 month. So that's why po, ang naging arrangement namin with the sources of the list, ayusin. But we have to consider also, ma'am, na there are somehow errors na, marginal errors na na-encounter ng mga partners natin. Kaya po nakakaroon po ng grievances nang hindi maayos ang listahan. That's why po mapapansin po ninyo, nung unang announcement namin, 1 week lang, pero bigla kami nagka-special payout. Pero yung special payout po ay patuloy nanganganak kasi we wanted them to be included. What is the reason why hindi po kami pumapayag na hindi incorrect? Kasi ang iniiwasan pa namin, Ma'am Maki, ay duplicated payout. Because there's a possibility because of the adjacent payout sites that one client na umapir yung pangalan niya sa isang listahan at nakita niya nag-appear ulit ng pangalan niya sa isang listahan, may jump from one side to another. Kung hindi namin i-correct yung pangalan at i-allow namin siyang i-payout on-site, a possibility of them going duplicates is mataas. At saka ang mababalikan po nito ay ang DSWD who manage the supposed to be disbursement po ng cash. Naiintindihan po natin ang simpatsya po ng madlang publiko bakit pinababalik-balik. But we have to understand, again, number one, this is a government fund. And we need to ensure that the right person is the right one who claimed the right assistance for the right intention. At we cannot just give the money because nag-appear sila. At we cannot just give the money because kailangan kong i-correct ang pangalan. Kasi baka mamaya, may mag-claim, nakita ang pangalan sa, pinupost kasi namin siya. May nag-claim na siya si Edwin Morata, pero wala kaming basis of anything, nag-produce siya ng ID, whether peke siya or hindi. Nagsabi siya, si Edwin Morata ako, nabayaran namin, paano po pag dumating po ang totoong Edwin Morata, din na po siya maklaim. So these are the concerns po na kinoconsider namin why there is a certain issue and grievances po in terms of the correcting of the names po, Ma'am Maki.
Clarify ko lang po. So you mean, yung LTFRB and you guys, walang editing?
Yes,
Walang
basically
editing.
po.
So you're
Yes po,
saying na sila ang nagkamali, the TNVS drivers ang nagkamali nung nag-input sila when they registered dun sa link na binigay nung Grab, halimbawa, or other apps?
I think yes, ma'am, kasi when we check, that's why po may grievance on site. Kasi when we check the valid ID presented versus the name reflected in the payroll which was submitted to us by LTF and other source, hindi po talaga siya nag-match. But basically, ang isa sa mga nakikita po namin na indicator of incorrect is there is a problem in the encoding. Number 2 po, if you can still remember, I think SEC also announced that para lang matulungan natin ang mga PUJs, nagkaroon po kami ng joint health team between LTFRB, LGU, and then the JODA presidents, the PUJ JODA presidents to correct it. But mayroon pa rin talagang panakanakang nag-appear na hindi pa rin consistent yung names because nga sa encoding purposes po, Ma'am Maki.
Last na po on my part. So, moving forward, para naman matulungan yung mga nakapila doon na napakahaba sa gitna ng initan, what are you going to do para naman mapagaan yung buhay nila, claiming the benefit owed them?
Actually, ang ginawa na po namin today, on-site na po namin kinokorek ang pangalan.
Pero pinapabalik pa rin sila.
Ito po yung purpose, ma'am. Kung example po, ang Edwin Morata ko ay Erwin ang nakalagay, i-correct na po siya as Edwin. However, ang ginawa po namin sa site ngayon sa TNVS ay number 1, we provided them the reason why nagkamali ang pangalan niya. So meron po siyang pinakitang binigay na stub for him to know the reason bakit hindi siya pwedeng bayaran. Bakit namin kailangan gawin to, Ma'am Maki and the rest of the media people? Because we need to rerun again the names niya from the entire list of the sectors na babayaran natin. Kasi for the meantime, we still have about Friday until Sunday for unclaimed and additional MC drivers and delivery service. At sa pagkikipag-usap po namin sa mga TNCs last Monday, meron silang sinasabi na multi-homing. Meaning to say, yung isang driver ay maaaring kabahagi siya ng iba pang sektor ng transportasyon. Pag hindi po ito na-correct, ito po yung iniiwasan natin. Kaya po, pinababalik po ulit natin siya. But with an assurance, sa special payout po na gagawin po namin, that's why kinorek na po namin siya at hindi na po kami magbabalik ng pangalan nila sa mga TNCs or sa LTFRB. It will be DSWD who will be already doing it on-site because when we do our special payout with them, at this time po, DSWD na po ang accountable kung nagkamali po sila ng listahan po or hindi. And rest assured po, I think we can commit in the name of Secretary Rex na sa special payout for those incorrect names ngayon, we can assure po 100% po, hopefully, mabayaran po natin sila. Because kami na po mismo ang nag-correct po ng mga pangalan nila on the spot, on site. Yun po.
Okay. Sige po, Miss Angie.
Good morning, Sir Vince. Kanina na-inform nyo na as of today, 1.6 billion na yung na-disperse. May pera pa po ang AIX para maibigay doon sa mga susunod na mga ngailangan ng payouts?
Actually po si Sex is medyo busy siya lately, si Secrex, kasi ito po yung kanilang, ang kailangan po nilang alamin. Sa ngayon naman po, meron po kaming running fund to complement po the requirement until April 30. But of course, di pa rin naman nagagalaw pa ang iba pang source of funds po natin. Actually, as discussed by Secretary, we projected around 30B, di ba? For the entire cash relief assistance for this crisis. Yun pala ang projected namin. And I think hindi naman again kami mag-go for this kind of engagement pag hindi po ready yung 30M. What we're looking right now is our continuity po ng program ng ICE in the regular scene. Because syempre, yung pondo namin na supposed to be as projected for the entire year for our regular AIX is being used already for this crisis. Ito naman po ang purpose ng office namin to respond to the crisis. But in terms of knowing kung may fund pa po kami, meron naman po kaming projected na, ma'am. At ito po ang isa sa mga nilalabi namin until when po kami magsusurvive, ilan buwan po kami makakapagbigay, until when kami mauubusan. Ganito naman ka-strategic si SecRex magkipag-usap sa amin. So alam namin when is the trigger na kailangan mag-request if there's a need for us for additional fund. But for the meantime, I can say yes, rest assured, meron po kami. Yes po, hindi po magtitipid ang regular AIX. Yes, tuloy na tuloy pa rin po ang other menu sa aming pong on-site at off-site payout. And yes po, we can say po na we are ready po to accommodate this kind of concern for DSWD.
My next question po, Sir Vince, dun sa total served na 322,000 something additional, tapos na po ba yung NCR dito sa total served na to?
Hindi pa. Kasi ongoing pa po siya ngayon. Until Sunday. But until Sunday kami. Ito yung second wave ng special payout. Pero dahil nga po sa mga growing concerns ngayon on the onsite since Tuesday, na may mga incorrect names pa rin at meron pa rin unclaimed na dumating, pag ito po ang pag-aaralan namin right after po ng Sunday to look into the numbers kung ilan po ito. Kasi kung unclaimed po from the first batch, ang na-observe po namin doon sa atin pong trending, yung unclaimed po from the first batch, yung March 17 to 30, medyo konti lang po ang bumalik. Ito po yung sinasabi ni Secretary na baka talaga di na sila nag-exist o talagang wala na sila dito kasi we are expecting that they will be accommodated for this particular specific schedule. But nung nakita namin kagabi for the JODE and TODA, medyo maliit ang turnout. But malaki ang turnout naman ng unclaimed for the additional list. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga bagong listahan na sinama natin. So kung nakikita po namin na again, mataas ang errors na na-observe namin today, plus mataas ang unclaimed natin for the past days until Sunday, at di pa rin po na-meet natin yung unclaimed natin from the first list, maybe, hopefully, maybe mapag-aralan po ulit natin to open another special payout to accommodate this. But this time po, sasabihin na po namin na baka ito na po ang last para malaman na po talaga namin kung sino talaga ang kasama, sino talaga ang hindi na nag-exist as quote and unquote drivers po under this sector.
Last na po, doon po sa incorrect names na para sa unclaimed, may bilang po ba kayo? At may bilang din po ba kayo kung ilan yung mga additional list? Kasi sabi nyo, ito na yung pinakang last. Sa NCR alone po.
Sa ang additional list kasi parang hindi ako familiar per sector kasi medyo magkakaiba ang figures dito. But I think we can provide na lang siguro the team. Hindi ako naging ready doon. Pasensya na. But I think ang masasabi ko lang for the TNVS, MC Delivery Services and MC Taxi Delivery Service, I think dumoble yung number nila from the submission nila from the one. Alam niyo po ang kwento about it. So because of us, ang target natin is not for us to become adamat doon sa issue, but because ang kailangan natin i-address ngayon is the crisis. That's why regardless kung sila ay naisama or sila ba ay tempo driver or whatsoever, since quote and unquote dineclare siya ng driver ng mga TNC, we will accommodate them. Yun lang po ang na-observe ko na I think I can say to you as the specific details, but the specific number po we can give to you right after po ng usapan po natin. For ano pa yung isang po tanong, ma'am? Sorry. Yun lang naman po, no? Sa additional, yun po, yung additional list we can give to you po the exact number. Yung incorrect name ko, ongoing pa po siya ngayon. Sa ngayon po, as of for the JODA and the TODA, nag-deadline lang po kami kahapon ng 5 p.m. to cover po whatever pa po ang incorrect names doon sa JODA and TODA kasi umabot pa po ng alas 11 ang payout ng iba. So that's why po, hindi pa kayo makapagbigay ng final number as to ilan ang incorrect. But more or less, pag nasabit po sa amin ngayon yung mga pangalan, we can add it to the deduplication because we're also planning to do a special payout within the week for our JODA and TODA for unclaimed and incorrect information po. NCR alone po muna ito kasi wala pa po ang iba sa municipalities and cities outside NCR.